Welcome to the Traders Market Intelligence Report brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Monday, the 19th of May, 2025. Hope you're having a great day, man. I cannot believe we're this far through the month already. I hope it was a good trading day for you and a trading week. As we get started, keep in mind that everything we look at is for education. Nothing is meant to be advice or recommendations. If you find something that you like, anything, make sure it fits your own personal risk profile and risk tolerance. All right. So, here's our followers page, by the way. So make sure you are following along with some of the various social platforms. Keep up with all the info that we're putting out there day in and day out. All right. So economic reports, we ain't got a lot. I'm just wondering if they're right or not, or if the report is off, or they just haven't updated it for next week or what. But we got reports coming out on Wednesday and on Thursday and Friday of next week. But Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it's showing nothing. So I'm not 100% sure on the accuracy. 8:30. Right, so it's an important report, but the market is open, so I'm less concerned with it. 9:45, 10 o'clock. The market is open. This is PMI, Purchasing Managers Index. If you're in a trade, right out of the gate, this could affect your trade. So be very cautious with that coming out. And new home sales, 10 o'clock. It's orange. I'm really not that concerned with it. I don't expect to see massive numbers in home sales right now anyway. So interest rates change. Yeah, we could see some serious numbers kick in for that. So, all right, if we go ahead and look at the S&P 500, it's up again. 5 days in a row, baby. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Higher close every single day of the week. This has been an awesome week, right? Trade coming back in line, tariffs coming back in line, war coming back in line. We got so many things that are happening right now that are bringing comfort back to the American business economy, so an investor. So we got to focus on the fibs to the left, the previous fibs, to see where we're at and what we need to look at. So right now we closed, we are closed about 10 minutes or so now, 59.58 and jingle. So 59.95.73, we're going to call it 6,000 because we've got a confluence there. That will be our next upside target, and then 61.47 is the one above that. Right, to the downside, we do have the fib line, the purple fib line, the 618, looks like 59.02. Let me just get my mouse there. Give or take. 59.02, I think is what it says there. 618, 59.0189. Yeah, so 59.02. And then down from that would be 58.26 would be our next downside target, which is a confluence. If we just drag this out here, you can see where things are at. You know what? Let me pull the normal one, the one we want here, really. Pull that one out. So you can see we bumped our head, we gapped up and we retested this blue line right here, okay, which is from the new fib, right, the one. We broke through this one here, which was the 0.5. We came up to the 618, 1, 2, 3. We gapped up, retested the 618 today and bounced, and we're at 59.58. I think 6,000 is our next look through. We are sitting right now at a true bullish bias. So a pullback to the 8 and a bounce would be fantastic, not only for the market, for any of the stocks that we're looking at. So look for confluence of what's going on in the market and what's going on in your individual stocks. Right, we look at the VIX. Fear, we ain't got any. We are down low, baby. We're talking 17.25 right now, 17.24. Low, not super low, as we were down here just a few months ago, this year, the beginning of the year. We were down at 14.5, right? And we lived there for quite some time, right? We were there, and after we went back up and we came back there again, we went up and we came back there again before that big run up to 60. All right, so overall, fear is down. We do still have some wide spreads on some individual stocks. So keep your eyes open on some of the positions. Make sure you know what you're trading. Make sure you know what you're spending, how much it's costing you to get in that trade. Understand your risk, difference of bid-ask spread. That could hit right up front. If you realize all of a sudden there's $3 of bid-ask spread, you're $300 underwater when you hit enter per contract. So you're trading 2 or 3 or 10 contracts, it could get expensive. With that, folks, make it a profitable day. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it. And remember, you're just one trade away. Take care, everybody. I will see you at our next update. Bye for now.